everybody, and welcome back to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you? So some of you know this outside of my regular life, but I have been sick for the past couple of weeks. So basically I piled up a ton of things to do, to lots of boxes, lots of hauls. Oh my god, so much. So just expect a lot here recently. So, and also everything is going to be late because I've been sick. So today, this video might come out in June, maybe it'll come out in May, whatever. Today we're doing the May BoxyCharm. This is the base box. It is $25 a month and it comes with 5 full-size products. So let's dig into it. I'm really excited because I haven't gotten to do any of these videos in a while and I'm really excited to see what's in everything. Okay, let's get it open. Okay, so I've actually broken into my BoxyCharms already, and I know that they actually didn't send me the cards. So on my computer screen that's like right over here, it's right over here, I'm actually going to pull up the products that I have because otherwise I'm not going to get any prices. So I will deal with that later when we get there. While I was sick, I did go through, I checked things to see what they were to make sure I was getting some of my products, so that's why I've actually already broken into most of these. But I haven't gotten a good chance to look at some of them. I've opened them, looked at it, and then kind of put it off to the side. So I'm excited to get back into it because I don't remember what's in this box. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's like May Bloom or something like that. Like I said, I'm going to check later when I actually pull up the information with all of the prices on it. Okay, so let's get into our box and see our first item. So something in my box smells really good and I'm not sure what it is, so I guess I get to figure that out as I'm going through it. Let's pull out the first thing on here. You see it's actually pretty large. So this is I Am Beauty Care, and they are Dead Sea Minerals Vitamin C Serum Makeup Removing Wipes. Oh, interesting. I didn't know the makeup wipes were something I could get in the box. I am always on board for more makeup wipes. I mean, you need them all the time. And sometimes I'm lazy and I just do that to clean my face. I know that's terrible. I shouldn't do that. But yeah, I'm always up for some new makeup wipes. So let's see how those are. Okay, up next is, ooh, something by Elemis. So it is the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. Oh, excellent. Again, with it still being in lockdown here, lots of skincare has been really great, and so I definitely will be using this. I'm really excited. I hear Elemis is really good. I don't have anything by them yet, so I'm pretty excited about these. Resurfacing pads are really, really good. They kind of give you, like, they're extra kind of strong, so you don't use them a lot, obviously, because that would be, like, really hard. So they're an exfoliator. On the bottom it says, these resurfacing facial pads act as a very effective yet gentle exfoliator. So that'll be really fun. Okay, the next thing in here is something I'm a little bit, I don't know. This is what smells. I figured it out. So this is actually a shampoo bar. So I have never used a shampoo bar before. Let's get it out of the box. Let's see. It smells very, very nice. I am not entirely sure what it smells like, but it is wonderful. Rosemary. Yeah, it definitely smells like rosemary. So this is a little bar of soap for your hair. So I have color treated hair, so I'm kind of careful on what I put in my hair, but I'd be interested to try it. It's definitely something different. I normally use bottles of shampoo. I might try this once just to see how it is. It's got avocado oil in it, which is great for hair. And it does smell really nice. So we'll have to give that a try. I'm definitely something I've never tried before or never had, so it'll be interesting. Okay, what else do we have in here? Something by Tracy. It is a color cover correct crayon. So it is a color correcting crayon in the shade Bisque, which doesn't actually look too bad, but if it's going to be a concealer, it's a little dark for a concealer for me. It says Conceal and Perfect. I assume it's perfect and not perfect, because that would be kind of silly. But I don't know. Okay, so here is the actual pin in this giant box. This seems like an excess amount of packaging here. So it looks like it's got a crayon tip on it, but like that's not actually a crayon tip. You have to like pull it up, and here's that. Let's do it on the back of my hand and see. Yeah, that's a little dark. So maybe I'll hold off on this until like the summer when I get a little bit of color, but right now, as you can see, I am quite pale at the moment. Spending lots of time inside where I couldn't leave my room. And yeah, so it's a little crayon here. Oh, that's fun. Okay, so the bottom of it here has a little like buffing puff thing. Ooh. So I buffed it out. Now it's gone on my hand. It's like halfway gone. Okay, so that might help. I can see when it blends in, it blends in pretty nice. Oh, that's fun. Sorry, I love the little puffs like this. So I am all on board for that. Yeah, I'll have to test it out and see color match on it. Oh, it's got a pretty good amount of product in it too. That wasn't even all of it. I really like, oh, that's fun. It's got magnetic packaging on it. Snap. I like that it's a crayon. It's kind of unique and fun, but not like too out of the ordinary. Wouldn't fit in like with my brushes or with anything that I want to put it with. That's fun. I kind of like this. Yeah, I'll see how it works. Like I said, I buffed out half of it on my hand. You can only see a little bit. I mean, you can barely see it. It doesn't stand out super a lot. It's definitely darker than the skin on my hand though. Okay, we're down to our last thing in here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, last one. And it is a palette by Studio Makeup. It is easy to wear eyeshadow palette. Oh, it's pretty nice neutral palette here. Put it like that so you can't see. Yeah, so we've got some like grays, browns. There's that pop of color for that pink, and then the other ones here are lighter. Let's swatch some of these on my hand and see what they look like. So I swatched 4 on the back of my hand here. We'll see. Yeah, you can see it's kind of hard to come up with the lighting I have in here. So this pink one at the edge is dusk, and then I swatched gilded, flaxen. Oh, I'm going the wrong. Gilded, flaxen, and then this bottom back one here is fate. They're all pretty light. They're pretty soft, pretty powdery when they came up. The shimmers, when I look at them in person, they look pretty good. The matte did swatch pretty well, not patchy, so that's nice. So I'll have to give it a try. It looks like this would be really good, like everyday kind of palette. The colors are really flattering, very neutral. It's pretty standard. I mean, it's nothing really special. Last month we had that Zoeva palette that I really loved with all the like really nice caramely brown colors. So this one is, it's okay. We'll see how I like it in the future. Okay, so that is it. That's all 5 of them. Let me go on to my computer over here and pull up the card with everything. Okay, so the first thing on this list is the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. They are, oh my god, manufacturer's price at $59. Woo! I know Elemis was expensive, but good lord. It doesn't tell me on the container how many pads are in here either, so it's a mystery. Okay, the next thing is the palette, the Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette from Studio Makeup, 35. This palette isn't that big. 35 kind of seems like a lot for that, but okay, whatever. Next up is the Tracy. I don't know how to pronounce it. You know how to pronounce it? Put it down in the comments. Cover and Conceal Crayon. It is $24, which is kind of a lot, but honestly, concealers can be pretty expensive, so that's not all that surprising. And then our final item is, oh no, sorry. There are 2 more. The makeup wipes are $17. Let me tell you, I would not spend $17 on makeup wipes. I just go for the Neutrogena ones. They're like $6 or $8 depending on what store you get them at. And this one is $25. The Neutrogena ones are $25 as well. So I would say, unless these are somehow phenomenal and fantastic, which I don't know how they could be, because those Neutrogena ones take out like waterproof mascara really easy. I don't know. So we'll see. We'll see. $17 though. Okay, and the last thing on here is the Daily Concepts shampoo bar, which is $24. Pretty sure you can get shampoo bars and things like that at Lush for cheaper if you were really interested in one of those. So, and this is, it's plant-based and vegan. So is Lush, handmade, plant-based, vegan. Like, if you really wanted a shampoo bar, I would just say, look at Lush. They've got lots of them. They've got shampoo jelly, bars, all that kind of thing. So if you were really interested in that, probably just get that instead. Okay. I have a calculator. I actually have a calculator here somewhere. Here it is. Calculator. Okay, give me a second and I will total this up for you. Totaled everything up, it comes out to $159, which, yes, is significantly more than the $25 that I paid for it. In fact, almost everything individually is more than $25 itself. I mean, this is Palette's $35. Elemis resurfacing pads are $59. That's like more than double the price of the actual box itself. Would I pay that? No. But would I pay $25 for everything in here? Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. I got some cover concealer, got another palette, shampoo, some exfoliating pads, and yeah, and the makeup wipes. Yeah, I'd pay $25 for it. So I guess it works out at the $25 price point. Not that I would probably pay individually any price that those individual items were. But that's me. Let me know down below if you would pay that much for some of these. Maybe the concealer. I might pay that. $24 for a little bit higher end concealer. Yeah, I can see that. But yeah, let me know down below. What did you think of this box? What did you think of just the various things in here? This month was a kind of a all over the board. There wasn't like any one theme. And let me double check the thing again. Yeah, it just says Mother Nature. That's what this one is. Mother Nature. I have no idea what that means. Like, are they all green products? Because I honestly couldn't say that. I know this, like, the shampoo is vegan, but I don't know. Yeah, let me know what you think of this. And while you're here, if you could leave a like, subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell icon for notifications so you know every time I upload a new video. Because believe me, there will be a lot of them coming out here soon. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye!